Guys, it's Multi here, and today we are going to be making slime. So here's what you will need. You'll be needing a bowl, a spoon to mix with, clear glue, any type should be fine, acrylic paint, this is optional, some activator, shaving gel or shaving foam should be fine, and baking soda. Okay, so let's get started. First, what you'll need is a bowl, and you use your clear glue. Pour some clear glue into the bowl. I'm done pouring the clear glue, as you can see. Next, what you'll be needing to do is pouring a little bit of baking soda. That's good enough. And then you'll add your acrylic paint. This is optional, guys. So, yeah. That's me. Okay, and then we start mixing. Keep mixing for a pretty decent time. Okay, guys, I'm done mixing. Next, what you'll want to do is you're going to be wanting to add your shaving gel. So add some in. I have a nice blue color. So let's see. And then keep mixing. Next, we'll be adding your activator. And keep mixing. Your slime should slowly get that slime consistency. And keep adding activator until your slime gets unsticky. Okay guys, my slime is done. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!